talking about the Baisakhi, I would just start the day with Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa and Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.
Baisakhi is a reminder of our roots, our residence, and our rich cultural heritage. It marks the time of harvest, of prosperity, and of gratitude towards the hands that feed us.
When farmers gather their crops and thank God for a good harvest, thank God. It usually falls on 13th or 14th April every year. But Baisakhi is not just a festival.
Baisakhi teaches something important: to celebrate together, to share joy, and to respect every hand that helps us grow.
Let's welcome Javi's group as they present a musical performance that brings together harmony and celebration.
May I call Principal Sir?
First of all, happy Baisakhi to all of you. It also marks the establishment and the birth of Khalisa, and this is a religious festival for Sikhs. This marks the first month of the Hindu calendar also.
ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਵਿਸਾਖੀ ਦੀਆਂ ਲੱਖ ਲੱਖ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ. So and all the best for the day. Thank you so much.